Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox bad pin. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox bad pin, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi. You will click to turn off your Wi-Fi, and then you can wait a minute, and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.